Discount Diva here. I did visit a few Dollar Trees because I wanted to get the girls some like workbooks for them to practice for the summer. So I did visit 2 Dollar Trees and they were fully stocked. I was very, very pleased with that. But then I got a little crazy with other things, of course. You know, I don't just get one thing, I have to get a few. So I do want to show you what I purchased today. They're in no organization, or I didn't separate them. I'm just gonna show them to you as they, you know, bagged it for me. So the first bag is this basketball hoop that I got, you know, for them to just play around. We hook it in the playroom and they just shoot, you know, some basketball, keep them entertained. And before I went to work, I asked the girls if they wanted me to bring them something. Of course, they always say Play-Doh and slime. So I did. I got them the Play-Doh, but I got them the Play-Doh with the utensils for them to scoop it out, make shapes. So I got them yellow. Then I got them a bag of balloons because my youngest wanted balloons. So 15 latex balloons, and it says happy birthday. I got myself this for my desk. I like to put this like around my desk. It says shine bright and it's pink and I love it. Motivation, positive. Then I got these pens by Couture and they're like pizza, coffee, rainbows, umbrellas. Cute, and it's black ink. So they're ballpoint pens. So that was my first bag. Not too bad. Now my second bag, maybe I should save this one for last. Okay, I'm gonna start with the small stuff. Somebody had hold this pack of cookies. They're crackers. They're supposed to be better than the Ritz. So I wanted to try it. There's a 6-pack saltine crackers. So I'm gonna try it out. And it's by Global Brands. And oh, I got the girls these little cute things. They're like pop-up lollipops, and it's My Little Pony, and it has the Chupa Chups lollipops. So I got her Pinkie Pie because that's her favorite. And then I got my youngest a little puppy because she loves puppies. So these adorable. These were by the register. Like I said, everything was fully stocked, new merchandise. I was like, yay, let's go. Where's my shopping cart? All right. I decided to try these antibacterial wet wipes. I'm gonna try them out. They're 40 wipes, and it's a refreshing waterfall, the scent. And now, guys, the moment of truth. Nails galore. I picked up some Sassy Chic nails. Guys, I went crazy. I went ham. Check this out. Ice cream with waffle and chocolate dripping. How cute. Aren't they adorable? So I got 2 of these. Then I got this design as a teal with the like V shape. I got 2 of these also. Just look at the style. See, 2. Then I went ham on these only because I have purchased these in the past and I just kept getting compliments left and right. It's like shimmery teal. I love this design, so I got 4. Love it. So yeah, I got 4. And then I got this design. It's like a royal blue with the gold stripes. You see that? Nice. I got 2 of these also. Okay. And then I wanted to start contouring my face. I want to see a few videos and try it out. So I got the buildable concealer by LA Colors in the beige. So like after I do my foundation and put my concealer here, I want to just contour around here, but I need a little bit of a darker shade to contour. So I figured with the foam tip applicator, it would be much easier for me to complete the contouring look that I want to complete. And that's in the color beige by LA Colors. Sorry guys, I'm chewing this gum hard. That was my second bag. Told you guys I went ham on the nails. Telling you, I keep saying, once I see the nails, I just rack up. Like, come here, let's go. Because everyone's getting hip to the nails and they're leaving me with no nails, even though I'm searching. So, okay. So this is what I was telling you guys that I wanted to pick up for my girls. So I got them 2 practice boards, and this is you could use it both ways, front and back. So it has the alphabet, and in the back they could just, you know, color doodle. So I got them 2. You know, I can't just get them 1, so that's 2. And then I got them the markers to go with that, the Dry Ease markers 4-pack up by Jot. Although I should have gotten 2 packs because I'm not going to start fighting for this, but we'll go with it. One will get a blue and the other one will get a green. Then I got these word problem workbooks. It's addition and subtraction, and it's 38 pages. And it's by Teaching Tree, and I thought this would be good for my little one to practice. And then the ease markers, I also wanted to use it with this. You feed the monster, so you pick a letter, let's say H, and then they're supposed to peel what matches that letter. So this would be fun for them to do, and it's 4 pieces. Peel and place the stickers beside their matching letter. So that would be interesting for them to do. Now, then I got reading this, and this is grades K through 1. It's a book 1, ages 5 to 7. It doesn't say how many pages, but it looks really interesting. Like which picture is bigger than the first, so that she could identify that. So I want her to practice that. I also wanted her to practice the math activity workbook K through 1, so she could recognize numbers, colors, and shapes. This one I've been looking for, time and money, because I want her to know about the time and of course money. So this is by Disney Learning. And then also I got her the ABC alphabet, K through 1, ages 5 to 7. So that I got for them to, you know, they have their playing time, but they also, you know, have their practicing time too. And I got these pens for myself. You guys have seen these before, I believe. They're novelty pens, but they write nicely, so. And it's cute. Happy and sad. It looks like hungry, full. Pink and blue, I think it's cute. Okay, that's my second bag. And then, okay, I think I went through them all. Yeah, okay. And then this is my last bag. This one I just got out of the Dollar Tree. I'm literally in the parking lot. There's a gym right in front of me. Everyone's like, what is she doing? Okay, I've been wanting to get this for the girls so they could, I mean, you could use it as you please, but I want to put the girls, whatever they draw, like their drawings or paintings, I want to hang this. And it has a suction back. and you could just hang their, has little pins and you can hang their art. But this says it's for photos. So I got 2 of these. Okay. 2. Okay. Guys, I got the cutest little bow. I mean, it's a pretty big bow. And it has like the mermaid kind of fins design. And it's very colorful. Cute. Adorable. $1. Then they had the 2-pack of the... Oh, I didn't even get out of here. I didn't even see it was a unicorn cat. I don't want to pop this for them because they're going to be like, I wanted to do it, mommy. You know what? I'll show you guys anyway. Look, a 2-pack. 2 for $1. Pink and teal. I snatched these up. It was the last 2. It was the last 4 actually. And then this one. The blue and purple. They're going to love it. Unicorn cat. Isn't that cute? The things they think about these days. Alright. Then I got scrunchies. But I don't know. Something about paying $1 for a scrunchie. So I was feeling a little cheap. Sorry guys. So I got a 2-pack. I got the polka dot to go with my polka dot shirt, of course. Oh, and I'm wearing the bracelet with the little plant. So that was 2 for $1. And then I got the black polka dot with coral. I use a lot of coral in the summer, so that was cute. 2 for $1. 2 for $1. But then I saw a big box of like scrunchies. It's like the worker has stopped putting the stuff away, and I was like, oh, let me see what they have. So I picked these up. I know I didn't want to pay $1 for a scrunchie, but I'm like, what the heck? This reminds me of like the 80s. Like, I don't know, it just reminds me of the 80s. Like a dance video and a scrunchie in your hair. So that's that. And guys, I'm saving the best for last. These things, my daughters love them. They go crazy for them because it's not only glitter slime, but there's a bowl inside that lights up. You see that? It's like 3 amazing things in one for the kids. So I haven't found these in a while, and they had the last 6. And who got the last 6? I did. But I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna give it to them one at a time, because then they'll just be slime and colorful lighter balls all over the house. I'm gonna have an So I got 2 orange. 3 orange. Doesn't matter. 3 orange. And I know they're gonna fight for this pink one, but this is the only pink they had. So I got 6. And that was it for my, oh, and I picked up a replacement nail buffer because my other one just looked a hot mess. So I'm gonna do this for later because I want to show you guys how I'm gonna do my press-on nails. So I wanted it to look, you know, nice, but this is the one I like to use. And I think that's it. I think that is it, guys. These things really shocked me. I just saw ears. I didn't see the unicorn. And then 2 for $1, you can't beat that. Right? You're really getting your money's worth. Alright. So I will see you guys either later or tomorrow, because I do want to get do my nails while I'm, you know, after I have dinner and I'm relaxing. I want to work on my nails, buff them out, and show you guys how I do them. Okay, hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Please subscribe, and I hope you guys are please give me some feedback. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like the videos? Do you guys prefer if I do more of one thing, more of another? Excuse me. Please give me some comments so I can know, you know, what you guys want to see more of. If you guys like to see more Dollar Tree hauls, if you guys want me to show you my collection, more of that, or more talk in the car. I don't know. let me know. So see you guys next time.